Hi, my name's Ryan Burrian and I'm out here with Forest River Sandstorm. Behind me is the new 2023 306 GSLR. And the first thing you'll notice here is the aerodynamic front cap that's two-tone painted. This is really trick, looks good behind the truck, also looks good out at the campground when the LED lights and everything are all shining. Below it, on all of our fifth wheels, you'll see the MPS generator. This is powered by Yamaha. On all of our fifth wheels, it's a 5.5 gen. This one actually has a key fob remote. You can remote start it from inside. You can also pull the front panel. There's a front pull start on it and everything. That's a really cool look. And let's come around the rest. So we're on the door side of the 306 GSLR, and a couple of the cool things that we have going on this side. You have a full storage compartment that's completely pass-through over here. You have a full awning that has a cool LED light strip on it. It's got adjustable pitch so that if you got rain or anything happening, you know, you can lower it down so that's draining pretty evenly. You've got full leveling systems. That's an option on all of our fifth wheels. On this one, we just have the power jacks. And then as we come around, you have aluminum wheels. This year we're featuring the new tire pressure monitoring system, which can feature the temperature and the pressure of the tires as you're in travel, which is a really cool feature that we added to 2023s. And let's work our way around to the back. So we're on the ramp door side of the Sandstorm, and these features are available on all Sandstorms and on this 306. So you have a 3,000-pound ramp door. That's got a friction hinge down below. That makes it a lot easier so you can bring that door down without all that weight on you. Up top, you have a rear awning option that's available on everything. And then on top of it, you can put a backup camera on all Sandstorms in 2023. So that's a prep that's already there. So your dealer, you can talk to them. They can add that onto anything. When this patio kit comes down, we also have a ramp playpen that's on everything. So we'll show you that once we hop inside and we bring everything down. But yeah, a lot of cool stuff happening on the back sides of our Sandstorms. So we're on the driver's side of the 306 GSLR, and these features are on all Sandstorms, but you have your fuel station that's back here as well. This is a 40-gallon fuel station. You have your fueling location right here. You can unlock this so that you got your hose, you can fill up your toys. Really cool thing on our fuel station is when you turn it off, it'll actually pull the remaining fuel out of the line. So I really like that feature, so you don't have anything dripping or anything like that. Also, your access point, you can fill up the tank at this, and then you have the ability to turn the pump on and turn the pump off from here, and not having to go inside and flip switches or anything like that. All of it's accessible from the side, so it's a little bit easier to fill up your toys. The fuel station here is directly plumbed into the generator as well, so you don't have to worry about different tanks and different gases. Everything's just fueling the generator and you're good to go. So we're out here on the deck of the 306 GSLR. This patio system is rated at 1,800 pounds, so that's the rating on the cable, so you can have it. Group of people out here hanging out, having some drinks. As we work our way inside, this is where some of the important storage stuff is happening, which is the most important thing in a toy hauler, is how can you fit your toys in it. So this rear setup is a dinette system that actually completely raises up into the roof. These also push together and make a bed. You have your bed up top as well. These can fold against the wall if you need the full clearance of the over 7-foot ramp door we have here. These can fold in and you'll be able to bring your toy right in, and then you have the full access all the way inside, and then we can hop in and take a closer look at what's going on in there. So we're inside of the 306 GSLR. First thing to note, 19 feet 10 inches of cargo, which is plenty of room, 4 seats side-by-sides. Anything that you're trying to pull, you're going to be able to fit it in this unit. Important note for the side-by-sides too, the wheelbase is usually the widest part of the car. So we feature in our slide-outs, when you pull this sofa up, the slide-out actually has a flip floor, so when this slide-out comes in, you can actually make the clearance of the full tire. All the way up into the galley here, you have 73.5 inches of width between the wall and the cabinets here, which is great because you can use all of the capacity that we put inside of our units. You got a sleeping area here as well, a couple of really nice chairs over here on the side that you can take out on the deck to hang out. We try to do as much as we can with storage capacities as well, so you got large cabinets. You got the 39-inch TV up here that's connected to the Kenwood audio system that runs through the whole coach, inside, outside speakers. You got some more storage here. In our kitchen, we have a great full-size double-door refrigerator. This is a gas-electric refrigerator, so it can run on both propane or 110 if you're running the gen or somewhere with full hookups. And then we got some more stuff up in the front. So in toy haulers, we realize you got to try to maximize as much space as you can. You need the toys to fit. You also need space to cook and for the family to hang out. This floor plan, we've done everything we can to make sure this kitchen is ready for people to do everything they need to do up here. So you have a full L-shaped countertop here. We have recessed glass a recessed glass cooktop here. You also have covers on the sink as well. So this is a single bowl sink where you can pour cook whatever you need to do. Easy to wash stuff in this location. And as we move through as well, you have a microwave up top. You have a 21-inch oven, which is a really cool feature on our fifth wheels. It's a larger oven, so that way you can fit, you know, chickens or anything you might need to cook that's a little bit larger. You have that space. And then, yeah, same deal. Large cabinets everywhere we can, storage area where we can put it, so you got room for the toys and you got rooms for all your stuff as well. 306 and all Sandstorms as well, as we put all of the switches and everything in one central located control panel. So you can turn on all of the lights, the accent lights out on the front, all of the lights on the inside. You got control for the max air fan option that we've put on here as well. The awning extension for the front awning and the rear awning, slide out controls, generator, everything's easily labeled, easy to access, one location, and that's a great feature for our stuff. So we're in the bathroom of the 306G. A couple of things to note. We do have porcelain toilets, so those are really nice. You don't have the plastic toilet. Good feature that we're doing. And another thing that I love, I'm kind of a tall guy, a little over 6 feet, and these showers, we're actually able to stand in them and be able to take a regular shower without having to bend over, and I love that. You also have the glass doors where you can close them, they'll lock and travel, and it's just a nice clean look. So we're up in the front bedroom of the 306. A couple of cool features. You got a full king bed, which that means in the RV industry you have a lot of short kings or short queens. And Sandstorms, all of our beds are the standard sizes. So a standard king bed up here, which is really nice. You have a wardrobe slide on this side, give you a little bit more space. In this option, we mentioned outside, you have the 5.5 gen. With that, you have a second AC option. We're running that here, so you can keep this cool if you're out camping somewhere where it's really hot at night. You can still keep it cool up in here when you don't have to cool the rest of the coach. As well, you got 12-volt charging stations up in here. We have an inverter on all of our stuff, so with the inverter, you can ensure that your outlets are all inverted. So maybe if somebody has a CPAP machine or something like that that they need to run at night, you have an outlet up here and you have 5 others in the rest of the coach. But yeah, just a nice little setups where you can get away after you're done riding or going out camping, get a good night's rest. Thanks for taking the time to check out the new 306 GSLR that we have out here for 2023. Be sure if you want to see any other information, go to forestriverinc.com/sandstorm. Thanks.